Have you ever snapped a photo and unexpectedly spotted something in the background? A face, a figure, or inexplicable lights? It's anxious, isn't it? Now imagine the heightened terror when these mysterious elements emerge in pictures captured amidst the vastness of space, where not a single soul can hear your screams. Today, we are embarking on an exhilarating journey into the darkest corners of the universe, where the stars themselves shudder in fear. Get ready to brace yourselves as we unveil a collection of spine-chilling images that will send shivers down your spine. Mystery light. The Martian surface was long considered an expansive desert of rock and red dust. However, our perceptions shifted when the Mars Opportunity rover transmitted an extraordinary image on the 17th of March 2017. The image showcased what appears to be an immense chunk of shiny reflective metal protruding from the ground. This peculiar anomaly stands out significantly from all other images received during the mission. The presence of dark shadowing surrounding the object complicates its identification, leaving us uncertain whether it's rising from the ground, resting upon it, or even hovering in the air. Strikingly, its appearance closely aligns with our imagination of an alien spacecraft, a flat disk topped with a raised dome, reminiscent of a cockpit. The resemblance is astonishing, and leads us to ponder whether this might be another instance of pareidolia, where we perceive what we desire to see, or if it could potentially serve as evidence of intelligent life beyond humanity. Tether incident. In 1996, during the celebration of the 75th space mission by the USA and Italy, an experimental tether was sent into orbit to explore new power sources, particularly the clean utilization of solar wind to propel spacecraft. However, as the shuttle crew initiated the deployment of the satellite, the umbilical tether unexpectedly snapped, causing the oval-shaped equipment to drift aimlessly toward deep space. Curiously, the mission video captured peculiar and unexplained bright objects swarming around the detached tether, resembling wasps buzzing around a nest. Strangely, NASA excluded any mention of these bright lights from the official mission report, and has since been reluctant to acknowledge or provide an explanation for this baffling phenomenon. The question arises, were these objects merely investigating the enigmatic floating space debris, or could they have played a role in causing the tether to snap in the first place? Until now, NASA has not been able to offer a satisfactory explanation for the identity or purpose of these mysterious objects, leaving the incident shrouded in uncertainty. Martian Sasquatch. Could the planet Mars possibly harbor alien hominids? Well, the answer to that question remains uncertain, perhaps, maybe. A perplexing image captured by the Mars rover adds to the mystery, as NASA, sometimes humorously referred to as never a straight answer, has yet to provide a definitive explanation. Whatever it may be, whether a life form or a meticulously crafted statue, one thing is clear. It's not a mere product of natural rock formations and lighting illusions. One plausible explanation for such phenomena is pareidolia, a curious human tendency to perceive familiar shapes or patterns in random stimuli. It's the same phenomenon that leads people to spot an Elvis-shaped kidney bean or the face of Jesus Christ on a burnt piece of toast. The question arises, could our eagerness to discover alien life lead us to imagine it everywhere we look? Alternatively, is the lack of a clear answer from authorities like NASA a deliberate cover-up, concealing the truth that alien life might indeed exist and could be right under our noses? The enigma persists, leaving us to wonder and speculate about the mysteries that Mars might hold. Aliens are watching us. Back in 2012, an amateur astronomer made a fascinating observation of an unusual object orbiting the Earth. This enigmatic entity caught the attention of a larger telescope in Italy, which estimated its size to be approximately 60 feet long, with an overall shape resembling a spinning motion around its axis, completing about 1 revolution per minute. This peculiar object was later named J002E3. The rotations of J002E3 caused it to exhibit varying luminosity as it moved through space. Despite its distinct characteristics, NASA's UFO program surprisingly failed to detect it during their scans of near-Earth space for anomalies. NASA noted that it did not match any known space debris from recently launched spacecraft, leading them to speculate that it might have entered Earth's orbit relatively recently. J002E3's orbit was particularly strange, taking on a looping trajectory that was inherently unstable. Consequently, it eventually departed Earth's orbit and settled into a solar orbit. Experts have projected that it will revisit Earth's vicinity approximately 30 years from its initial departure. However, amid these scientific explanations, some enthusiasts have put forth a more speculative claim, suggesting that J002E3 could potentially be an alien spacecraft. The mystery surrounding this orbiting object continues to intrigue astronomers and space enthusiasts alike, sparking discussions and theories about its true nature and origins. Standing stone. Here on planet Earth, numerous civilizations throughout history have erected rectangular slabs of stone as a tribute to their paganistic gods and rituals. Iconic examples like Stonehenge in England and the Karnak stones in France are just a few among the many scattered around the globe. Even today, we remain in awe of the ingenuity of ancient humans who built these towering structures, as the methods and techniques they employed continue to fascinate us. But the enigma doesn't end on Earth, it extends to Mars as well. In 2012, an astronomer made a captivating discovery, an imposing monolithic standing stone on the Martian surface. The observation was later confirmed by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which captured images from two completely different angles, clearly showing the presence of this structure casting a long shadow. What makes it even more intriguing is its estimated size of over 5 meters in diameter, with straight, rectangular sides that starkly contrast with the otherwise curvy and natural landscape of Mars. Its form seems to emphatically declare, "I was made, not formed." The mystery of how such a structure could have appeared on Mars adds to the countless questions about the red planet's history and the possibility of past civilizations or intelligent life. As we explore and analyze these discoveries, the allure of the cosmos and its untold secrets continues to captivate our imagination. Alien on the moon. Initially, the advent of Google Earth had enthusiasts across the globe transforming into virtual detectives, unearthing peculiarities that sparked countless top 10 lists of oddities. But Google didn't stop there. In 2009, they joined forces with NASA to introduce an astonishingly named platform, Google Moon. Eager internet sleuths wasted no time combing through the lunar surface, hoping to make extraordinary findings. Among their discoveries was a rather mysterious sight, a shadowy figure seemingly taking a leisurely stroll on the moon. Now, we're not jumping to conclusions and claiming it's a giant, but what's truly intriguing is that NASA has neither offered any comment on this peculiar silhouette, nor made an attempt to remove it from Google Moon. The silence from the space agency has led to questions. Could it be a denial of the truth, or perhaps a clever trolling maneuver? In summary, as our spine-chilling journey through the mysteries of space comes to an end, we're left with captivating images that defy explanation. From the eerie lights on Mars to the unsettling figure on the moon, these enigmatic phenomena challenge our understanding of the universe. They spark curiosity and wonder about what lies beyond our blue planet.